Hello and welcome to the video presentation for the Sos Cleaner by System of Systems, a cleaning solution for all your 3D printing cleaning needs.
So why SOS Cleaner? SOS Cleaner is meant to help 3D print cleaning enthusiasts save time otherwise wasted on post-processing of 3D print models. Resin print models had excess resin left on the surface that previously had to be cleaned up manually with isopropyl alcohol and strengthened with handheld UV lamp.
The SOS Cleaner combines resin print post-processing into a single automated process that requires minimum involvement from the user. The SOS Cleaner has a lower chamber where 3D print are being washed with alcohol and upper chamber where models are dried with a fan and cured with UV light. Setup for the SOS Cleaner is minimal. You need to place the device on a flat surface, plug in the power cord, and fill a container halfway with isopropyl alcohol.
As displayed on the following diagram, the user interface for the SOS Cleaner has 9 cycle duration LEDs, 3 for each cycle, 3 cycle duration buttons, a pause and door open LED, and a start and stop button. So here we see the user interface. You can see that all the LEDs, the lights show the mode it's on. So if you press the button, you'll notice the lights change. So right now it's low. You can change them all to low. So the middle is default, and one is more, and when they're all off, it's skip. So now they're all in the low setting. Over here we have the pause LED, which can be turned on by pressing the stop button. Lets you know the stop button has been pressed and the system is paused. Now the way to get it out of this mode is to press the start button, not the stop button again. You gotta press the start button again. Over here we see the door open LED, which will only turn on if the door is open. The proximity sensor triggers when the door is open. So we open the door, notice the LED comes on, and if we close the door, the LED comes off. Next, we'll show you how to get into reset mode. To get in reset mode, you gotta press and hold the stop button until a certain LED pattern shows up. You'll see it pop right up. There it is. See the strobing lights. So there was the strobing lights. Now it's in the done mode because we didn't set it to do anything. Now to get into recalibration mode, you gotta do the same thing, but you gotta hold the stop button for longer. So you'll see the strobing pattern come on for reset mode, and you press and hold it longer until that pattern comes on, meaning you're in recalibration mode. To exit recalibration mode, you might think to press the start button. No. Notice how start button doesn't do anything? You're still in here. To exit this mode, you have to press the dry button right there. And notice how we're back out of that mode now. The maintenance for this device is quite minimal, but like with other 3D printers, the stepper motor itself might need some lubricating from time to time, and it's also a good idea to lubricate the sides.
Let's now look at the demonstration of the full cycle. As you can see, all the Maniko needed to do was to load the models into the chamber and hit the start button. Washing cycle now begins. It will take approximately 4 minutes. After wash cycle is done, stepper motor brings the models into the upper chamber for drying. When model is dry, fan turns off and curing phase begins. And that's it, model is now clean and Domenico can start painting. Here's what happens inside the device. For sake of demonstration, door panel was removed and cycle speeds were reduced from the back end. Thank you for watching this video. We had a lot of fun working on SOS Cleaner, and we wish we could show it in person in its full glory.